Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss about the DC speed control of DC motor. Speed control of DC motor. There are following method by which we are controlling the speed of the DC motor. Different type of the DC motor. We are controlling different type of DC motor. First method is the speed control by variation of armature resistance, variation of armature resistance. Second is speed control by variation of field flux, variation of field flux. Third is speed control by terminal voltage, variation of terminal voltage. First of all, we have to discuss about the speed control by variation of armature resistance. For discussion, we are taking one by one. Then, first of all, we have to take DC shunt motor. DC shunt motor. DC shunt motor. Speed control by variation of armature resistance. Speed control by variation of armature resistance. First of all, we have to draw the equivalent circuit diagram of the DC shunt motor. Then this is the armature winding. EA induces here, and this is the armature resistance RA. External resistance are taken. External variable resistance are assumed to be R. R is the variable resistance. Here, this is the RF field resistance, and terminal voltage VT is inserted here. As we know that from basic formula of EMF equation, EA is equal to KA phi omega. If we are finding the value of omega, omega is equal to EA divided by KA phi, where phi is the field flux. Then we are applying KCL at this terminal. Then VT is equal to EA plus IA RA. Then EA is equal to VT minus IA RA. We are taking two cases. First case when case 1, when external variable resistance equal to R equal to 0. In this case, the current will be, armature current will be IA1. Then this equation will be converted into from equation 1 to we get omega 1, so IA1 and omega 1, omega is equal to Vt minus Ia Ra Ka phi. This is equation number 3rd. We are taking case 1, case first. When R equal to 0, then armature current IA1 and velocity, angular velocity omega 1, then this equation will be converted into omega 1 equal to Vt minus Ia1 Ra divided by Ka phi. This is the equation number 4th. We are taking second case, case 2. Case second, when R not equal to 0 and armature current is taken as Ia2 and angular velocity taken as omega 2, then this equation will be converted into omega 2 is equal to Vt minus Ia2 Ra plus capital R, this is the external resistance, divided by Ka phi. If we look at this equation, if R increases, omega 2 is decreases. If R is decreases, then omega 2 is increases. By controlling the R, we can control the omega 2. That means we are controlling the speed of the DC motor by controlling the external resistance value. Then at a constant torque, at constant torque, P is equal to Ka phi Ia1 equal to Ka phi Ia2. That means A1 equal to Ia2. By comparing equation 4th and 5th, by comparing equation 4th and 5th, omega 1 divided by omega 2 is equal to Vt minus Ia Ra divided by Ka phi divided by Vt minus Ia divided by Ra plus R divided by Ka phi. This equation will be converted, and comparing this one, omega 1 greater than omega 2, that means this is the final equation. Thank you.